This is brand new video from digitalesolution. Today I want to share with you about most popular Chinese online retailer. Digitalesolution always trying to make their video about trendy and more informative. If you are new in this channel, you can like, comment, and subscribe to join with our community for watching latest and trendy informative video tutorial. Pinduoduo is a Chinese e-commerce platform that was founded in 2015 by Colin Huang. It is known for its social commerce model, which allows users to participate in group buying activities to get discounts on products. Pinduoduo focuses on selling a wide range of products, including electronics, clothing, groceries, and more. The platform has gained popularity in China due to its competitive pricing and interactive features that encourage users to share deals with their friends and family. Pinduoduo has also integrated gamification elements into its platform, such as daily check-ins, games, and other activities that engage users and keep them coming back. Pinduoduo has quickly grown to become one of the largest e-commerce platforms in China, with a focus on serving consumers in lower-tier cities and rural areas. The company has also expanded its reach to international markets, including Southeast Asia and other regions. In 2021, Pinduoduo was listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, signaling its status as a major player in the global e-commerce industry. The company continues to innovate and expand its offerings to provide a unique and engaging shopping experience for its users. We want to continue upload our video about Pinduoduo and many other digital business. Thank you very much for watching this video.